Hello! It's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up a web browser, and we're going to type download Windows 11 ISO. And under select download, we're going to choose the multi-edition ISO, and then we're going to click confirm, and then we're going to choose our language, and we're going to click confirm, and then we're going to click on 64-bit download. And this is going to download the ISO that we need to make our bootable USB. And now that we have our ISO downloaded, we're going to open up a new tab, and we're going to type download Ventoy. And we're going to choose the Linux version, and then we're going to download this version. And now that we've downloaded everything, we're going to open up the Files app, and we're going to go to our downloads, and we're going to right click on the Ventoy archive, and we're going to click extract here, and then we're going to open up the folder, and then open up this folder, and now we want to choose the version that we want to run. So if you're using a x86 computer, you can use this one, but because I'm using an ARM computer, I'm going to be using this one. So we're going to right click on the file, and we're going to choose run, and we're going to enter our password, and it's going to open up the Ventoy window. So we're going to go to the options section, and you can choose if you want to use secure boot, and this is required for Windows 11 to work. And then you can choose your partition style, either MBR or GPT, and I'm going to leave mine set to MBR, but you might need to change it to GPT based on your system configuration. And we're going to make sure that our USB is selected, and then we're going to click on install, and we're going to click on OK, and you have to make sure that you've saved all of the data on your USB. And it's done. And now that our USB has been formatted, we're going to unplug it and plug it back in. And now the USB has been renamed to Ventoy. So now we're just going to go to our downloads folder, and now we're going to drag our Windows 11 ISO, and we're going to put it on the Ventoy drive. And now you should have a bootable Windows 11 USB. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!